Hey, what's going on? Thank you for tuning in to another Balling on a Budget. I know it's been a while since I've released one of these videos, but I'm kind of focusing more on the review stuff. But either way, I got a quick one for you. I'm going to show you how to replace this wheel right here on your ripstick. All right, so my son has this ripstick. He had this ripstick, I don't know, maybe like a couple years. But it's just an average ripstick. This is the front wheel. This is the back wheel. As you can see right here. Basically, what it is it just ended up exploding. Really, ended up going to Walmart to go see if we can find another one, or replacement wheels. So this one's a little bit rounder, this one's flatter. What ended up happening was we ended up going into Walmart. These run about 64 brand new. I seen another one where I had two wheels like this. So I had the idea to go to the store. I bought some inline skates, okay? And these right here cost $6.99 for the pair.
You're welcome.
So it don't matter what size you get as long as they have the inline skates. Okay, so I ended up taking these off. As you can see right here, I did the first wheel already. All right, so I am going to try to show you how to take this one off. But like I said, $6.99, and you get 4 wheels per skate. 4 replacements right there. So that's 8 wheels. Right now, the replacement wheels for these brand new go about anywhere from $12 for 2 wheels up to $51. So let me try to get this wheel off right here and get it replaced for you. You're going to want to save these screws. Alright, and you got to be careful. There's a little filter, not filter, but you got a little spacer that goes in between those guys. Alright, so what's going to happen is you're going to want to get this off. Alright, so I'm just going to use, there's another spacer in there as well. There go one. There go the spacer. And he goes back together. It's gonna go like this. Hopefully that'll be in contrast for you, or sharp for you. But we're gonna put that together and put this off to the side. I already took the wheels off earlier, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna take these wheels off, same way. And there's going to be a little setup just like this in there. So it's going to be like this inside that wheel. I mean, some probably might be a little bit different, but this is a setup that I'm working with. There it is. And you can just push through. There's a setup right there. So once you get that off, you can push this off to the side. All right, so now that you got this empty hole right here, put this ball bearing back in here. This is gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna put this on top, like that. All right, so with your needle nose pliers, you're gonna wanna hold this in there like this. All right, you want to hold this right here. Take a screw, kind of put it in there like that. You start screwing that in. Get your Allen wrench, put it in there. This is to hold it. Come on, come on. And you don't want to go too tight because it won't spin. I'm just going to back it up just a little bit. And I'm good with that right there. And that's that. But yeah, that's it. That's how you save a couple dollars.
Cora, before you go, will you tell Miss Laura goodbye?
Bye, Miss Laura.
See you in the next one.